Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to use the direct deposits feature on the Cash app. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 10,000 subscribers we will show our YouTube revenue statistics and our growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the Cash app, and when you open the app you gotta go to the home page, and at the home page you will see at the more ways to add money section the direct deposit feature. So if you tap on it, if you did not activate this feature yet, you will receive this message: start banking now. To access Cash app's banking features, you will need to get your free Visa Cash card. So if you don't know how to get that Visa free card, you can check out my other videos about Cash app, because I have explained that too. So, direct deposits can paycheck and other payments up to 2 days early, bank transfers, send money from other accounts, cash card, spend your balance anywhere, save with boosts, and withdraw money from ATMs. So first you have to activate to receive that free cash card, and then you can use the direct deposit feature right here from this step. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, please consider subscribing. See you in the next one.